Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. I am back with another job notification, and this time from Bark. So, the Bark notification was long awaited. So, I first of all apologize for being late, but nonetheless, we are here with the Bark job notification. So the students were waiting for quite a long time that the Bark notification will come out, and the best thing about Bark is that it will give you two options, that is recruitment through the GATE score or recruitment through their own examination. And that is why this job notification is very important for all the engineers that are watching this video. So let me first start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE. In 2014 and 2018, I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am currently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, beta, you know all of this about me, but I say I am proud of the revolution that our team has created. I am proud of the kind of work that we are doing together as a team and empowering so many students across the country to get jobs, to get higher studies, to get IITs, and all of that we are doing for free. But remember, our free initiatives are not restricted to YouTube. They are also available on the Unacademy app. So download the Unacademy app immediately and then access all our free initiatives simply by unlocking them using the code AnkitESE. Now, let's move on with the notification. So, Bark training schools. Okay, so there are training schemes. First of all, you have to undergo training and then only you will be given an employment. Bark training schools will provide 2 training schemes to the deserving candidates ambitious of pursuing a rewarding career in nuclear science, engineering and technology. Okay. So basically, these are the training scheme for those who want to enter this nuclear energy domain. Okay. So now, basically, the schools are called Orientation Course for Engineering Graduate and Science Postgraduate and DAE Graduate Fellowship Scheme for Engineering Graduate and Physics Postgraduate. So there are 2 courses. One is OCES and the second one is DGFS. Successful completion of training scheme will guarantee you employment as a scientific officer C. So here you will become a scientific officer in one of the DAE units or Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Okay, you will either be posted in one of the DAE units or Atomic Energy Regulatory Board with attractive career progression opportunities with highest echelons. So here guys, you have a great chance of growing and a great number of opportunities which I am going to tell you in coming slides. Okay. Now, 1-year orientation course for engineering graduate and science postgraduate for academic year 2021-22 will be conducted at the 5 training schools located at Mumbai, Kalapakkam, Indore and Hyderabad. So beta, these are the 5 locations where you can undergo 1-year training for OCES. Now, a training scientific officer, whoever scores a minimum of 50% marks in completion of training will be considered to be passed. So the passing criteria out of this training program is 50%. And successful TSO will be posted as scientific officer in one of the following DAE unit: Bark Mumbai, Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research IGCAR, Kalpakkam, RRCAT Indore. Okay, Variable Energy Cyclotron Center Kolkata, HWB Mumbai, Nuclear Fuel Complex Hyderabad, Board of Radiation and Isotope Technology BRIT Mumbai, NPCIL Mumbai, Bhavani Kalpakkam, UCIL Jaduguda, then Atomic AMD Hyderabad and DCSEM Mumbai. So all these are the locations or are the units where you can be posted after completing the training. Now, appointment in DAE unit should be considered as a Group A gazetted officer. Okay. So beta, you will become a Group A gazetted officer. That is the highest honor as an officer. That is one of the most prestigious jobs. except in Bhavani, NPCIL, UCIL, which are regulated by the service rule of corporation. So except these three, you will be considered as a Group A gazetted officer. So training as TSO who complete the training program meets the minimum eligibility criteria are allowed to enroll for MTech and the MPhil program. That is, after completion of training, you can also go for higher education from Bhabha National Institute, HBNI, deemed to be a university. Okay. And those who are not desirous of pursuing MTech and MPhil program are entitled to a postgraduate diploma from HBNI if your academic performance is above a specified level. That is, again, you can either go for MTech, MPhil, or you can go for postgraduate diploma. But for postgraduate diploma, your academic performance should be above a certain level. Now, 2-year DAE fellowship program for engineering graduate and physics postgraduate beginning in July-August 2021. Okay. Now, under this scheme, engineering graduates who have excelled in the selection interview for the BARC training scheme and who have also independently scored admission for MTech in the select institutes and specialization are paid stipend and tuition fee to complete the MTech degree. That is, suppose through the GATE score you get into a MTech program as well as you clear this DAE, fellowship scheme. In that case, this BARC Institute will pay your fees for the MTech program as well as give you a stipend. On completion of MTech M Chemical Engineering, DGFS fellows who are posted as scientific officer in DAE, and you will be Group A gazetted officer of Government of India. So once you complete MTech, you will be given a Group A gazetted officer status under Government of India. That is also one of the great scheme. Stipend and allowance during training. TSOs and DGFS are paid a stipend of 55,000 per month. That is a great stipend to have during the period of training, and a one-time book allowance of 18,000 rupees. DGFS fellows are reimbursed tuition fees for MTech and are additionally paid a one-time contingency grant of 25,000. That is, if you secure admission in MTech and you pursue that MTech under BARC, in such a case, you will be given a one-time grant of 25,000 and all your tuition fees will be reimbursed by the BARC. Selected candidates are required to execute an agreement and a personal indemnity bond to serve DAE for at least 3 years after completion of training. That is, once they are investing in your education, you also have to sign a bond for 3 years, and the bond is for rupees 6,78,000 and 13,58,000 for DGFS fellows. DGFS fellows are those who have received a grant to complete their MTech. Okay. Now, appointment as a scientific officer in the level 10 with the base pay of 56,100 rupees. After completion of training, you will be given a base pay of 56,100, and as you know, in all the government jobs, there are multiple benefits over and above the base pay. Now, the selection is a two-step process: screening of shortlisted candidate followed by selection interviews. Okay, first is the screening round, then you have the interview. Now, for the selection interview, screening is either based on the online examination which will be conducted in September 2021. That means you still have 2 months. Okay. And candidates who register for the online examination will be permitted to select their examination slot and the center in August 2021. That is, the choice of the date and the examination center will be done in August. Okay. Now you can also be coming in the merit list on the basis of GATE score on the applicable GATE subject. But the great thing is, GATE 2020 toppers and GATE 2021 toppers both can apply for this position. Now, the interviews of the shortlisted candidate will be conducted in only Mumbai, and this will be done during October 2021. Final selection will be based on interview. That is, once you are screened, only your interview marks will be considered for final selection. Then your written test will not be considered during the final selection. For engineering disciplines, mechanical, electrical, EC, CS, IN and civil, all these are eligible for this position. BTech, BE, BSc or integrated MTech program with 60% aggregate. With 60% aggregate is required in order to be eligible for this post. Okay. Now, you have to be considered on the basis of GATE score. In order to do that, you must have a valid GATE 2020 or 2021 score. So, you need to have your scorecards with you and you need to have the scorecard in the same discipline. That is, if you are applying for electrical, you need to have a scorecard in electrical. If you are applying for EC, you need to have it in EC. Okay. Now, age limit for general category, it is 26 year. OBC 29 year, SC ST 31 year. Application fees of rupees 500 is chargeable and that is non-refundable. Women candidates are exempted from paying the application fee. You have to apply online beta. Important dates, the application has started from 12th of July. It will complete on 7th of August. Okay. Last date for submission of application is 9th of August. So first you have to register on the portal, then you have to submit the application. Examination slot booking will be done from 20th to 25th of August and exam will be from 5th to 12th of September. Now display of the shortlisted candidate, the result will come out on 21st September for interviews. Okay. So that's all my dear friends, and remember, from tomorrow I am starting a comprehensive course on electrical machine. If you want to attend it, join an academy immediately. Use code Ankit ESE. You will get 170 hours of content along with 1000 questions. In daily assignment, you will get access to weekly quiz. 8 to 10 tests will be there and all your doubts will also be solved. And based on the huge demand from the learners, we have deferred the price hike. So the price will hike in the near future, but right now the price is at its minimum value. So use code Ankit ESE and join immediately. And also my friend, you should be connected with me on my Telegram channel, that is t.me/gateair1. Put this link in your browser, it will open in the Telegram and you need to join that Telegram channel. So thank you everybody. I hope you liked the video. If you want to apply, comment in the chat section. Comment in the comment section. Tell me that you are applying for this job and definitely we will try and arrange some sort of training for you guys so that you can qualify the BARC examination. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do hit that bell icon to get notified whenever any such notification comes up. Till then, engineers, keep rocking. Let's crack it.